I crashed last week driving 100 kilometers an hour. It's been a week now and my head still really hurts. Here's what happened. I drove in another ATV in a really high speed and flew 25 meters. 25 meters is from me until the black thing over there. Doctor said it was a miracle I survived. But I survived and I landed on my head. And without the helmet, I would have died. But what happens is right now my mind really hurts. I can't think. And yeah, I'm sleeping 15, 16, 17, 18 hours a day. And if this keeps going, maybe I'll have to book a return ticket because it's a painful experience. I can't do much. So we'll see. Hopefully I can recover fast, but I don't think so. It's a long process and it's a traumatic brain injury, so you gotta take it seriously. Be careful out there because you only have one life, and don't do stupid things unless